Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. For this, open up the Google Maps application here. Tap on your profile picture in the top right and then simply tap on this settings here. Now in settings, what you have to do is you have to tap on this navigations. You have to tap on this navigations here. And as you can see this guidance volume, you can see this mute state. Now you can also change this guidance volume to louder, and then as you can see this voice selection here, and I would recommend to toggling on play voice over Bluetooth and play as a Bluetooth phone call. You can try toggling these on UK, US and whatever you want. You can try these toggling on or off and see if one works or one doesn't work and can toggle them back on and off. The next thing we can do is swipe down from the top right and turn this volume slider all the way up like this, and in your car itself turn the volume of the speaker all the way up and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.